writing. Building a TR11 downhill bike is more than just assembling parts, so it's about crafting a machine that matches your riding style, terrain, and ambition. The TR11 frame has earned a reputation for being race-proven, brutally fast on descents, and incredibly stable at high speeds. If you're planning a fresh build, you're stepping into the world of precision, performance, and personality. The foundation of any great build starts with the frame. The TR11 is designed around downhill racing, with geometry that prioritizes stability, control, and confidence on steep terrain. Its long wheelbase and slack head angle keep you planted when things get chaotic, while the suspension platform is engineered to absorb massive hits without sacrificing responsiveness. Choosing the right frame size is critical here. Too small and you'll feel cramped at speed. Too large and control becomes harder in tight sections. Suspension is where your build truly comes alive. A dual crown fork is the obvious choice for a TR11 setup, giving you the stiffness and travel needed to handle aggressive trails and bike park laps. Pairing it with a high-quality rear shock transforms the ride feel. Air shocks offer adjustability and lighter weight, while coil shocks deliver unmatched sensitivity and consistency. Riders chasing ultimate downhill performance often lean toward coil setups for their plush feel on rough terrain. Wheels and tires play a huge role in how the bike behaves. A strong, reliable wheel set is non-negotiable in downhill riding. You want rims that can take a beating and hubs that engage quickly when you need power out of corners. Tire choice depends on your local conditions. A soft compounds for grip in loose or wet terrain, harder compounds for durability on rocky trails. Running tubeless with inserts has become a popular choice, offering protection against flats while allowing lower tire pressures for better traction. Drivetrain selection is surprisingly simple for downhill builds. Since climbing isn't the focus, most riders opt for a single-speed setup or a minimal-range drivetrain. This reduces weight, simplifies maintenance, and improves chain retention. A strong chain guide is essential to keep everything in place when the trail gets rough. Every component here should prioritize durability over lightweight design. Brakes are arguably the most critical component on a downhill bike. Powerful, consistent braking gives you confidence to push harder and ride faster. 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with large rotors are the standard. The key is modulation. You want brakes that don't just stop you quickly but allow you to control speed precisely in technical sections. Investing in high-quality brake pads and regularly maintaining your braking system will make a noticeable difference. Cockpit setup is where you personalize your ride. Handlebars, stem length, and grips all influence how the bike feels under you. Wider bars offer more control and stability, while shorter stems improve responsiveness. Grips should feel comfortable and secure, especially during long runs. Don't overlook details like bar rise and sweeper. They can significantly impact your riding posture and comfort. Pedals and cranks are often overlooked but are essential for power transfer and control. Flat pedals are the go-to for downhill riding, offering freedom to reposition your feet quickly. Choose pedals with aggressive pins for maximum grip. Crank length can also affect handling. Shorter cranks provide better clearance over obstacles, reducing the risk of pedal strikes on technical trails. Aesthetics matter more than most riders admit. A custom TR11 build is an opportunity to express your style, whether it's a stealthy all-black setup or a bold, color-coordinated design. The visual aspect adds to the satisfaction of riding something uniquely yours. Matching components, clean cable routing, and attention to detail elevate the overall look of your bike. Building a downhill bike like the TR11 isn't just about performance, it's about the experience. Every choice you make reflects how and where you ride. From suspension tuning to tire pressure, Small adjustments can have a big impact on how the bike feels on the trail. Take the time to experiment and dial in your setup. Maintenance is the final piece of the puzzle. Downhill bikes endure extreme stress, so regular checks are essential. Keep your suspension serviced, bolts tightened, and drivetrain clean. A well-maintained bike not only performs better but also lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. At the end of the day, a TR11 downhill bike build is about pushing limits. It's about chasing speed, conquering technical terrain, and feeling the adrenaline of a perfect run. When everything comes together, the frame, components, and your riding style, you get a bike that doesn't just perform, but inspires confidence every time you drop in. Whether you're building for racing or pure fun, the TR11 platform gives you the tools to create something extraordinary. And once you hit the trail, you'll understand why every detail of the build matters.